Welcome to the Cooking General. Hey man, we're gonna do a video today, and I ain't gonna try to do too much. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna try to keep y'all straight to the point. Now this is a single man, a single woman meal. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be a old Crockpot like thing. You know what I'm saying? But it's a two-step process, so you're really gonna have to do two steps with this here. But I do have a lot of one step, but this one was a two step. But it's pretty simple. Now come in and show you what I'm finna do. Check this out here. Boy, I got me a mug. Look at that, boy. That's what I'm finna do right there. Now. I got some Hidden Valley Ranch. I got some brown gravy mix. Okay, butter, olive oil, some this thing here. All right. Now I got some here. I got some garlic powder. I got some black pepper, salt. Now this is all-purpose season. I also got my Tony's, and now we're gonna add some rice. This is instant rice, and I got broccoli, but this is gonna go in later, and onion, bell pepper. Man, we're gonna get this here put together, and I'm gonna show you, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna try to go and get to the point for you, because I know y'all don't want me playing around. Y'all wanna know how to do this here, because this is delicious. Man, let's get this done. Cooking General, ask somebody. Alrighty, welcome back. You can see I got my steak, I got it all seasoned. I let it sit for a while and marinate, because I added that sauce to it, which is whatever, some black pepper, garlic powder, and I got the salt, I got the Creole, and all-purpose season. And about that much butter, and I got the steak sitting there, and it's been sitting maybe about 15-20 minutes. Then you want to heat up your little olive oil, and we're gonna go ahead and brown it. And you want to take it and put it in there and brown it on one side, and then we'll add the butter, and then we'll let it sit for a little bit and turn it over, brown the other side. Come back, I'll show you how it looks. Yep, there we go. Say your drippings from your pan. Pour it over. All right, we got a steak right there. Now, got my crock pot set on high. Now, you want to add your cup of water in there. All right. Now, you put your onions and bell pepper in there, because I like to set my steak on top of that. Then you take your steak and set it on there, just like that. Now, take your piece of butter, set it on top of your steak, and we're gonna ready to put the lid on and just let it go. And we're gonna let it go until that steak get about tender. Then come back, I'll probably add the rice and broccoli and other seasons I got for it, because about halfway through that, I'm gonna add my gravy season and my ranch dressing. Thank you for watching the Cooking General. Ask somebody. Alrighty. Now that season that you cook your steak in that cast iron, you want to add your little water to it, because you don't leave no season there. I don't waste nothing. That's gonna be good. And we're gonna take that there, we're gonna pour it in there with the steak. Now you want, at this time, you want to go ahead and add your brown gravy mix. And you want to add your ranch dressing. And get all of it out of there. Don't leave nothing. Look, okay, now. All right, then we're gonna stir that on up, and we're gonna get the stuff mixed in, and then you want to add that to your steak. All right, that looks pretty good. There you go. See, I got all of that stuff in there. Now you want to take it, and you want to pour that all off in there. Then let it go. Alrighty, now by the time I finish that, that's about 2, maybe 2.5 cups of water, since I clean the skillet out, you know what I'm saying? Got all my instruments out there with the butter on top. Now we got it on high. We're gonna put the top on it and let it go, and then we're gonna fill a steak, and we can see when it's about to get done. That's when, close to done, that's when you want to add your broccoli and your rice. What do you think?
Wait a minute. You got a good little taste to it. It tastes good.
It better.
Don't have to add nothing to it. Just let it cook.
Alrighty. See there? I told you to cook. That's what we do, man. Ask somebody. Already got my broccoli. About a cup of rice. And you can see, you gotta take your fork and you poke it. Okay, it's about tender like I want it. All right, that's how I want it right there. And you go ahead and add your rice and your broccoli. And come back and I'll show you how it looks when I finish cooking general. Ask somebody. All right, back to the cooking general. Hey man, this took about 6 hours, I say. And the slow cooker, you know what I'm saying? Everything came out good. It's delicious. It was just for a quick meal. I just want, because I had some other video planned. That's why this video kind of shot like this here. It rained today and I get a chance. But come here, let me show you how it look. And this is still just as good. And as you say, that brown gravy and with that rice and then your vegetables. Look at that. Tender. And then the meat. You know how slow cooker cook. It's going to be tender. And man, I ain't joking. With those seasons there, that's going to be really good. And that's like I said, it's a two-step process because you have to later on add your broccoli and your rice. You probably could do it, you know what I'm saying? There's another way you could do it, but this is about the easiest way to do it, especially if you use instant rice. And came out really good. But the next video I got coming out, I was gonna say next week, but I don't know. You know how the weather is. It's gonna be outside video, but the next video I got coming out is gonna be something, you know what I'm saying? You know how I do it. You gotta check that out. But this is really, really good. And so I'll catch y'all next video. Oh, I ain't finna do that in a day. I told you it's gonna be a quick video. Now, ask somebody.